How to remove Gmail account from your phone. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can remove your Gmail account from your phone. For this, you want to open the Gmail app on your device. Now, make sure to sign into your account. After you have been signed in, you want to tap on the profile icon at the top right corner of your screen. Now, from here, you want to tap on the Manage Accounts on this device option, which is the last option as you can see. Now, you will find the list of all the Gmail accounts in your device. You want to tap the one that you want to remove. After this, you have the remove account option at the bottom. Go ahead and tap on that option. It is going to ask you for confirmation. It also says that removing the account will delete all of its messages, contacts, and other data from the device. If you want that, tap on the remove account option. As soon as you do that, you will be signed out of that Gmail account and it will also be removed from your device. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.